Hello, welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today, June 18, turns out to be a special day, which is World Sustainable Gastronomy Day. This simply means from where our ingredients come from to how our food is grown and how it gets to our market and eventually our plate has to be all about conserving, protecting, and preserving natural resources. This day recognizes the practices and principles associated with sustainable food production and consumption and the conservation of biodiversity. In this light, I would love to share a few tips on how we all can observe sustainable gastronomy. Try not to buy more food than you need. Buy foodstuff from small and local suppliers who use sustainable agricultural techniques. Avoid wasting food and always make use of leftovers and incorporate any excesses into other meals. Lastly, grow your own if possible. Look around you for space you can use to grow things that you use a lot, such as herbs and salad greens. Now I'm going to go ahead and share with you a recipe to make one of my favorite sustainable ingredients, and this is going to be my dairy-free, gluten-free, all-natural coconut milk. You can use it for a lot of different recipes. I'm just going to show you how to make your all-natural organic coconut milk. So let's get right into it. I start by cracking open my coconut to extract the coconut water. Once I have extracted my coconut water, I'm going to chop my coconut into smaller pieces right into my blender. So chopping your coconut in smaller chunks will just enable it to blend more easily and get a really smoother consistency. You want to extract all of that juice as much as you can, so you're going to need a really nice and smooth consistency. Once I'm done chopping my coconut into smaller chunks, I'm just going to add in 3/4 of my coconut water, as you can see. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and blend this. So once that is blended, I'm going to go ahead to add in the remaining coconut water, and I'm just going to blend once more to ensure that I get a really nice and smooth consistency. You can see how milky this is looking. It looks so rich. This is all organic, all natural, and I cannot wait to extract this coconut milk. Once I'm done, I proceed to sieve my blended coconut and extract all the juice. You want to make sure that you squeeze well enough so as to get every last drop of that juice. So you can see how rich and milky this is looking. It looks really, really nice. I cannot wait to use this for a delicious recipe. After sieving, you want to make sure that you put the chaff together, because at the end I'm going to go ahead and rinse that off to get every last drop of that coconut milk out. So once I'm done, I transfer all my chaff into my blender and I add 1 cup of water and I just go ahead to blend this once more. So this is just going to ensure that you get any residual coconut milk from that chaff, and you can see how rich it is looking. Trust me, this is the chaff, and I'm just going to go ahead and sieve this, and you can see how much milk I'm getting from this. So make sure that you go in with the chaff and you rinse that off with at least a cup of water. So once I'm done, you can see all the coconut milk I got from this coconut. It's really, really much. It's undiluted. It's all organic. So this is my coconut milk already. I'm just going to bottle this up and preserve, and I cannot wait to use this for my fried rice, for my white sauce. I can't wait to use this, to try this for so many new recipes which I have in mind. So once I'm done extracting my coconut milk, I go ahead and I just bottle this, and this is going straight to my freezer, and I can keep this in there for as long as possible. Whenever I need it, I'm just going to pop it out, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. And please, I hope we can practice more sustainable gastronomy. Stay tuned. Bye.